Hello friends, welcome to yet another blog, and this time I again came up with a very unique product. And as you can see, this is a wireless earphone from Boat, and this is something that I am going to unbox, and we are going to do a complete review of this product together, and then at the end of the video you will be able to decide whether this is a value for money proposition, whether to go for this product or not. And remember that this is a very useful product, so your hands remains free and you can take calls, you can listen to music, you can change tracks of your music, and you can do multitasking at the same point of time. And Boat being a very reputed brand, so we will do a complete review to let you know the detailed feature of this product, so stay tuned till the end. Okay, so now let us open this box. So as you can see, this product is called Eardopes and the version is Atom 81, and this product comes with a very tiny box, as you can see. So let's open it. Okay, now let's see what is there inside. Okay, so let's keep the packet aside, and this is what you get. So a sticker from Boat, a type C to USB charging cable, and a Eardopes Atom 81 function manual, so how to operate that. And it talks about the sound call quality issues and how you can troubleshoot them, so some problems and how to solve them. Okay, what else? So this is, I think, a 1-year manufacturer warranty, and you can claim that warranty by scanning this QR code. Let's open the main product. So this is very well sealed. Okay, this looks really good. Okay, so you can see this is all black, glossy black, and if you open it, you see that this is the charging case. So beneath you have the type C, so as the cable I have shown. So type C, you can connect it over here, and you can connect it the other end to any adapters which can connect a USB port, or any laptops which has a USB port. And inside that these two EarPods. Okay, and if you keep it like this, it is you can just do the charging out here. Okay, so you just need to simply keep it in the right way. Okay, the shapes are being done in the right order, so make sure that while charging you put it in the right spot. So I think half an hour to 1 hour charging is sufficient for this to operate for several hours. Let me take out both of this and show you how it looks. I am using this device for now for last few days, these earbuds, and I have paired it with my laptop and with my iPhone, and I will talk about that. And I have used this quite extensively during this period to make phone call, to receive phone call, and also to listen to videos. I will talk about all of it so that you can understand the quality, call quality, and rest of the things. First of all, let's understand one thing. So this device is very unique. So when you are trying to pair this device, it does not have any external switches like that. So if you notice very carefully on the back side of this device where you see this boat symbol, there is a small hole like area where you see a small notch, and if you tap on that section, it actually, this is the control area. Okay, if you tap it once, if you tap it twice, how long you press here, the same goes true for the other earbud also. So that will determine different actions like receiving call, disconnecting from a call, invoking any kind of Google help, or for iPhone you can invoke the Siri. Pairing this device is very easy. So you can pair it when the device is inside this charging case. So you just need to open the flip of the charging case, and the device is immediately get activated. And if you go to your Bluetooth section of your phone and laptop, this device normally gets identified and you can pair it. Okay. Alternatively, if you still cannot, your laptop or your mobile phone cannot find this device even after opening this flap, you can take out any one of the earbuds. Okay, any one of the earbuds, you can take it out, and in the back side of it you can press and hold for 3 seconds. If you press and hold for 3 seconds, the earbud will switch on and it will become searchable. We'll see that the blue lights are coming out from the notch. That means it is available for pairing. Let's do the pairing. So I have Google Pixel 6a with me. Okay, and I will be pairing, this is an Android phone, and I will be pairing this with this boat earbuds. Okay, so now let's first go to the settings of the phone and search for connection service pair new device, and you will find that Bluetooth will turn on to pair. So if you click here, so let's click here. So your device, so it's now see that it is searching available devices. Okay, so if you open this cover and see that whether the device gets identified, you see that immediately the device AirDops Atom 81 has been identified. So if you click here, okay, it will ask for pairing confirmation. Okay, so you just complete that, confirm that, and as soon as you do that, you will see that it has been paired. The device has been now paired with your phone. So this is as simple as that. I have paired my phone with these earbuds from boat, and it's now, both the earbuds are now connected with the phone, and I am now recording this session with the help of these earbuds, and my voice that you are hearing has been captured from the mic that is there with the earbuds, so you will be able to understand the quality of the recorded voice. Okay, now let's talk about the conclusion. I bought this device with around less than 1500 rupees from Amazon, and I got it delivered on the same day. Being a Prime member, I kind of got it delivered, but if you are not a Prime member, probably you are going to receive it, depending on your PIN code and all, you are going to receive it within a week's time. But this device I am using now for several purposes, as I mentioned, by watching anything over my phone or over my laptop, or receiving calls. And interestingly, the call quality is average. It's not like the voice reception is just super duper and it gives you an wow effect. It's very basic, and it will solve most of your basic needs. Okay, if you are not looking for a very high end earbuds which gives you a fantastic experience when you're listening to music and all, then I think these earbuds will not disappoint you. it will give you an average hearing experience. And in terms of uh, the mic quality that comes with this both earbud, I think the mic quality is also quite good. And I have asked the other side whenever I'm using this device to converse, and they have no complaint. The noise reduction or the noise cancellation is average. I will not say great, it's average. And but it will not disappoint you. So on an average, less than 1500 rupees, by spending less than 1500 rupees, you are getting a very good quality earbuds, which you can use with your phone, with your laptop, and you can pair it with multiple devices. But please understand that at a point of time it can only work with one device. So if you have paired it with more than one device, so make sure that the connection will be active only with one of them. So you need to be very careful about that. So other than that, I'm satisfied with this device. Okay, not extremely satisfied, but satisfied with this device. And I would say definitely it's a value for money proposition. Thank you for staying with me. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your subscription will make lots of difference, and it will give me a lot of motivation and encouragement to make more interesting technical videos in the days to come. Thank you very much.